What's going on, YouTube, Pyro Nation, Facebook of the King of Boom Fireworks? About to show you Father's Day weekend specials going on. Let's get to it. So, Death Bomb, Vengeance, Ultimate Power, Witching Hour, $19.99 each. All weekend long. We got Zombie Slayer, $24.99. Big 12-shot Pyro Boy, One Big Mama, $24.99 each. Daybreak, Dr. Feelgood, Firing Line, $19.99 each. Come and get them. We got brand new 2018 Titan, Taking Chances, Riding Dirty, all hard hitters, $24.99 each. Big breaks on Titan. Awesome artwork. We got the hit. 9 huge breaks and General Saul, $19.99 each. 3 left, General Saul. Last Rites, $24.99, long duration cake. One of my favorites. You guys know that. Come and get them. We got brand new 2018 Banshee. $39.99, regular $50. This is a banger. 25 shots. Ghost in the Machine. Totally Stoked. You know those huge breaks on Totally Stoked. $24.99 each. All weekend long. 3 days only. Classic Kung Pao. Thunderstruck, $24.99. Pyro Demon is in the house. Come and get him. Pyro Appetite, Devil's Playground, $19.99. Father's Day weekend, 3 days only. Come and get him. Mustang Sally. This cake is a banger. Check out my video. Nitto 619, Mustang Sally, awesome. Ape Escape. Silky Sweet, there it is, $24.99. Awesome effect there. $24.99. Come and get them. Got one Comet Madness left, $24.99. Check out that artwork. New for 2018. Horror Show, $39.99. Regular $50. Committed. I love this cake too. Awesome tails. Hard hitting, beautiful color. $19.99. 3 days only. Another new for 2018, Alien Zombie Apocalypse, 16 shots, $39.99. Check out the wrapper. Awesome. Double breaks. I'll be shooting this one tonight. Can't wait to see it. 2 left, Lightning Storm, $19.99. Let's move over here. Classic, must-have, highfalutin, $19.99. Selling these babies fast. We had a whole wall of these. Almost gone. Come and get them. Open Fire, another classic, $24.99. Walkers. Love this cake. $39.99, regular $50. Love that artwork. CSX, Nice. Power Surge, Fisherman. Similar to Texas Cowboy. If you like that, you'll love this. $24.99. Brand new 2018 Kong. Beware, 12 huge breaks. We'll be demoing this tonight. $24.99. All weekend long. Come on, dads. King of Boom fireworks. That's sick. Here we go. Triumphant Golden Bear. $24.99. 3 days only. Come and get them. 4th of July. T-Sky fireworks. Cajun Heat. Pyro Predator. $19.99 all weekend. Come and get them. One of the best fan cakes on the market, Hellraiser. $24.99, regular $50. Awesome. The best 3-inch Noab on the market. $75, $20 off. Come and get it. These sold out quick. First time we had them. Look at that artwork. Infected. 158 shots. Awesome, awesome. On sale. $75. Keeping it real. 2 left. $56. Come and get it. You guys know these two. Pyro Demon Bangers. Father's Day special. 3 days only, $19.99 each. Crazy. We like to take care of the pyro dads. You guys are pyro kings all weekend up here at King of Boom. Come on, dads. Another Brothers classic, Wacky Tobacky, 66. Come and get them. 2-inch finales, $40, all on sale. Take your pick. They all hit hard. All huge breaks, new for 2018. $40, straight on sale. Red and white strobes, blue puny. Awesome wrapper. Come and get them. Best strobe cake on the market. $40. Flyover, $40. Alabama Slammer, regular $60. 2 left. There you go, Pyros. That's the 500 gram section. 3 days only. Come and get them. Later.